Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Helping Hand Tapos. Today we'll discuss about PGEG Paper 4 English for Netaji Subhas Open University. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. What type of novel is Tom Jones' Futurist novel? Look me Nightingale, who said this? Tom Jones, to whom Jane Austen dedicated her novel Emma Prime Regents. What is the central theme of Emma courtship and marriage? Who was Emma's girlfriend? Mrs. Weston's as Miss Anne Taylor's, who is involved in a love affair with handsome Jane Fairfax, who plays the role of Emma's mentor in the novel George Knightley. What skill does Emma pride herself on the most? Matchmaking. Which of the novel of Dickens is satire on the system of industry and factory owners, sons and lovers? How did Frances Isabella Egon Catherine Linton Heathcliff die in the novels? Tuberculosis. Who finds the diary of Catherine's at her bedchamber? Logos. Which character speaks the words "I am"? Heathcliff's Catherine. What is the gift of God as presented by Mr. Earnshaw Heathcliff, who is deserted on her wedding day in the Great Expectation? Miss Havisham, who is Pip's brother-in-law in Great Expectation? George, who gave an offer to go to the London to Pipe Jaggers, who is the mysterious benefactor of Brief? Abel Mackwich, whom does Ella marry in her novel Great Expectation? Ramley. What is the cause of Miss Havisham's death? Caught fire in the clothes. What is the real name of George Eliot's marrying? Any events with the guardian of Dorothy revokes Mr. Brooks here, and there is born a Saint Teresa, who said this? Dorothy Brooks, who is the protagonist in the novel Heart of the Darkness? Charles Marlowe. What is the main source of the text? Heart Darkness, the Congo Diary, the horror whose speaker cards. Which character represents the imperial waves in the Heart of Darkness? Cards. In which character of portrait is chapter 5? What does it mean by the first epiphany? Certain revelations of the whatness of things. What does the color of white stands? Purity. Stephens defines the beauty of inspired by whom? Aquinas, who is the character of Black George Straits in Tom Jones? Jem Keeper's servant, villain and hero George C. Grimes. What is the central conflict of the Tom Jones? Central conflict between natural instinctive feelings and those appearances with which people disguise, deny, regard moral dogmas and economic convenience, doctrines of social responsibility. Why is Emma considered as unique all Austen's novels? It is the only eponymous novel by Austen. Why is Emma called a mythic detective? Emma has all the evidence before her eyes, and yet it fails to recognize the truth until it reveals at a climatic moments. How would you assess Austen's treatment in the story of J. Fairfax as heroine of a popular romance or supervisions of romance? Who among these characters represents Austen's concept of rational practice man? Mr. Kindly in speech in sense. The Jane Fairfax number 37. So what does Austen's multi-layered irony in Emma prevent the novel from being didactic? Dr. Ryan's never become one-dimensional. How, according to the feminist detectives similar to Elizabeth Bennet, both have the similar familiars and social status, both are second daughters, both have similar personality traits, both have detective or inadequate view of society and man and some moral blind spot. At the end, both reconcile with their flaws and discover their true love. What kind of novel? The Great Expectations. Memory novel. Which character is another Dickens novel most resembles Reeves? Oliver Twist. What is the Pip's brother-in-law? A blacksmith by profession. Georgie. What kind of character? The Joe and Beatty in Great Expectations. Kind and laughing and minor characters. In chapter 42, The Great Expectations, we have instance of past memories of Mackwich or past crime of Mackwich. How long does Heathcliff live? 38 years old. Who was the gift of God according to the years of Heathcliff? What does the Catherine means when you say he more loves than I am? Heathcliff actually more love her than she is. Catherine will degrade herself by marrying Heathcliff. What makes Heathcliff different from the traditional romantic hero? He is dark, mysterious, almost never handsome in the traditional sense. In the prelude of Middlemarch, which Dorothea is famously compared to Dr. Theresa, where do Doctoria and Sibylla live at beginning of Middlemarch at Triffon Grange near the Midland town of Middlemarch. What is the name of Brook's journal, The Pioneers? It have been titled and Edward Cosborn, in which narrative techniques in Middlemarch written. Various narrative techniques, first and third person narrative techniques are used generally here, of which colonial country was Congo, in heart of darkness of colony, Belgium colony, and named the novelist who famously described colonial representative of Congo in heart of darkness as racist. Chua Echivi. What primary role does the narrator play in Heart of Darkness? As a listener, he listens to Marlowe to the take on the Niles in chapter 5, the portrait of the artist. And the freedom, what according to Stephen is the prerequisites of becoming the artist, nationality, language, and religions in the portrait of the artist. How many different from does Stephen divide literature into ancient, traditional, and modernist? Who among the following have extremely critical of Charles Stewart Parnell's Dante Reunion was against Stewart? John Casey supported him to Stephen Apple can be the fact, the sole essence of person, vulgarity of speech, gestures. You can pause the video and download all the answer carefully, and best of luck for the exam. That's all for today. Thank you and good night. And don't forget to share my channel and also subscribe. Thank you. Bye.